Hey YouTube, I did a little pre-trip inspection and I found a screw in my tire. I'm in middle of nowhere on I-81, Pennsylvania, so I'm gonna fix this myself. First I will check and see if it's leaking. As you can see, it is leaking. So I'm gonna take crossfire off, disconnect the wheel, and I will pull this out and I'll show you how to do it yourself, cheap. Here I have something that I purchased at Volvo in Phoenix. It's a tire repair kit, and I'll show you. This kit is only about 20 some dollars and it's very good. It will save you tons of money. I gotta say this in a foreign language. Stao sam u Pensilvaniji na 80 kecu u divini, nigdje nikoga, nigdje ništa. Imam ekser u gumi, to sam vidio kad sam radio kontrolu prije nego što krenem. Ovo sam diskonektovao, a ovo sam uzeo u Volvo 20 i nešto dolara. Najbolja stvar što postoji, sami sebi sredite gumu na putu, da ne zovete servis. I'm gonna pull it out. Here we go. And now, using this, I will clean it. Like I said, you can do a whole lot of things by yourself. You don't have to call a service or nothing. I just can't believe that this screw went in perfectly fine, perfectly straight, without getting bent or anything. So I can just say, good thing to have is the tire repair kit. 20 some bucks at Volvo. Kao što sam vam već rekao, ne mogu vjerovati da je ovaj šaraf tako lijepo ušao u gumu. Nije se ni iskrivio ni ništa. Mogu jedino reći jednu stvar, dobro je imat ovaj mali kit tu što sam sebi napraviš gumu. Pošto smo zrak ispustili, sad ćemo da stavimo ovo u rupu. To je to. Stavili smo plug, začepili rupu, we put the plug, we plugged it, so now all that's left to do is put the cross thing back, air up the tire and check for leak. Da naduvate gumu, da je napušete, potrebno vam je ovo. Ovo svaki kamionđija treba da ima, ovo je 30 dolara i sami napušete gumu. Every truck driver should have this where you can take care of your stuff. If you're a company driver, you probably don't give a shit. But me, I own this thing. So anything done on it, I have to pay. I rather do it myself. I save money. Svaki kamionđija treba da ovo ima. Kompanijski vozač, njih boli dupe da izvinete. On će nazvat servis i gazda će platiti. Ja, ovo je moje. Sve ja plaćam. Now, with the soapy water, we're gonna check the thing we fixed and see if it's leaking. As you can see, there is no leak. Successfully fixed. Now we're gonna check this Here, no leak. Is that no? That's not a leak. And then check these things right here. Make sure it's not leaking right there. Once I had it leak right there, now it's all good. And then we push this part up because here between the wheels I don't want the rocks to hit that, so I put the plastic on it or rubber to protect my stuff. And I also put the aluminum plate up here on top. When you have a blowout, it doesn't take your beams out and doesn't mess up your trailer. Ovo sam stavio gore ploču aluminijsku kad pukne guma da ne razjebe prikolicu. Provjerili smo ovdje da li igdje curi zrak, ništa ne curi, još trebam dodati da bude stoja i onda će ovo biti žuto. Uglavnom, problem je popravljen, sve ok. Sačuvajte se pare. Kupite se Volvo u Volvo. Ovo je za pranje ruku, sapun i voda. To je za popravljanje guma, krpljenje, WD-40 starting fluid blower, da iščistim prikolicu, pumpa koja radi na akumulator, za presipavanje dizela, ekstra Moses i za turbocharger, i to svaki kamion treba da ima ekstra. Tu je alat, s druge strane imam turbo, rezervni airbag, jastuk za kamion, rezervni ABS valve, rezervni air converter, puno dijelova, jer na putu to kad oderute živog. I have all these extra parts here, diesel pump, blower to clean out my trailer, repair tire, extra hose. I have extra turbocharger in the truck in the back. I have extra airbags, air governors, and ABS valve. You never know when it's gonna break, and you might have it and fix it yourself, just like I did the tire, and save yourself a lot of money.